Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is I Can Fix Anything #2. And a while back, I did a video where I fixed my fan in the living room. Well, this is a bit different. We are in full alien attack mode this morning in a rainy Martinez, California. And I want to show you what I did. This particular thing has been out of commission for a while, but someone threw away a lamp without a shade, but it's got a stand and a push button. So let me flip this around. Well, first we will see alien #1. Blue, the traditional Gulf oil building color for rain or snow. Alien #2. And then we flip it around. Alien #3. And finally, I just dropped the control. Now this is heavy but portable. All right, here he goes. First time on camera for this alien in this configuration. Alien #4. He's here on his stand. And this could be easily taken off, put a lampshade on, and be made into a camera light. So this is alien #4. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 alien heads. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay warm, safe, and dry out there. Bye-bye for now.